Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view purchase history on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your purchase history on Steam, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged into my Steam account over here guys. And after opening on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your username with the drop down arrow available for us. Click on your username with the drop down arrow, and over here again click on the account details. When this menu appears, on the second option click on account details and you land on this interface. And you can see guys over here it says the view purchase history, where I'm hovering just above the view license and product key activations. Click on the view purchase history over here, and all of your purchase history on your Steam account will be available over here. Since I have not yet purchased anything on Steam on this account, there is nothing, but all of your purchase history will be over here. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to view your purchase history on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.